All right, good morning. We're back here with the Rainscapes Irrigation Channel. We are at a beautiful oceanside property. And we have a special guest with us this week and maybe parts of next week. And here he is now. He's already been working away. Mr. Mark Falconbridge. What are we working on here today, Mark?
Just hooking up a drip line that has to go up to an upper deck.
Okay.
So we're just running our feed, and we're going to go up into a trench here and go up one of these posts.
Okay.
Run our header across the top so we can hide it.
Do you want to show us that on the outside here?
We have to get 1/4 inch drip to these planter boxes up on the upper deck.
Okay.
And it's all surrounded by glass. But there's a small space between the glass and the wooden deck. So we're going to run our header underneath the deck and then bring our 1/4 inch line up through behind the glass into the upper beds. And I believe there's 8 of them or 9 of them.
Okay, how far down is it going to go?
So, it goes down around about 80 feet
Okay.
from that far in. Around here. Down to the tower of flowers down there.
The Tower of Flowers.
Tower of flowers.
Okay.
So we're just going to run 1/4 inch drip lines up from underneath, and there's really no place that we can hide it to make it visible. It's a flat roof and it's fairly thick, and we can't drill holes. It's all ceramic tile up top, so this is the only way that we can get water up there. So we're going to try to do it as neatly as possible, and I'm sure we'll get some pictures of it as we go along.
Oh, very good. All right, let's get started. Okay, so we've got our hose timer in. We ended up putting a 30 psi regulator, so we had a lot of water pressure coming out of the house. We've utilized this little crack in the concrete, ran some poly over to this post, and we've got our 1/2 inch line tucked up nice and neat under the deck here, which is going to supply water to our pots up above. Got, I don't know, almost about 80 feet, I guess, of pipe. And that's it. Now we're going to start running them up to the pots. Yeah, like, see, we may have to put a clamp here, you know, like a 1/4 inch, and then run it up with a 90 maybe, like, so it doesn't, so we can get it tidy. What do you think?
I don't know.
Because I don't want like a bunch of 90s.
I wouldn't even put it 90. I'd have it. I think I'd just have it free looping.
Just go right up.
I think the best thing to do is let's do one first. Find out what it looks like,
Okay.
and then we can tweak stuff from there to make it look better.
Shall
The
we
other
start
thing-
here with the Flower of Tower?
Tower of flower,
Tower of Flower?
flower of power. Yeah, we can see what we have there.
Ladder's here
The
anyway.
other thing too is I don't know if you want to show the viewers there the connection that we had to make and where we decided to put
Yeah.
it and why.
So we had a connection to make here. So we thought the most neat and tidy way is just to kind of tuck it in behind the eaves trough. Well, out of sight, out of mind. So that looks pretty good. Got a beautiful spot here, beautiful property on the ocean. All right, we've got our lines connected here. We've decided to put a little drain in so we can drain this pipe, and then we've got our 1/4 inch tube that runs here in between the glass to our pots on the upper deck. So it turned out well. It's nice and tidy. And we've we've been asked by the client to just put a few lines in for these pots underneath here. So we've got this Japanese maple, got a line down here, and we've just run one down the steps into that pot. Now let's go up, we'll go up top here and check our emitters. So we just need something for the tower. So we've got emitters here and in these pots. In these pots. These guys. And this is the one here that we've run a line to, but as you can see, there are what, 4 pots in there? What do you think? If we put a speck here between these 2 frogs, just shower the whole place.
Keep it off the house. I don't know if we got some drip emitters, I can put down a fair bit of water there in 10 minutes. That would be, I think that would be good.
You think those like 4 liter per hour, 1 gallon an hour ones?
Yeah, wing jets. Wing jets too far? Too much?
No, just the inline emitters.
Inline emitters. Yeah, that might work.
Let's go
Just
have a look.
one to drop off each line. Okay.
Okay, we'll figure this out. All right, we're going to test the system. We've got our emitters in, and everything is plumbed. Turn our water on. We've got this set for every 2 days. Let's set it for 10 minutes and see how it looks. Now we've regulated this to 30. Should suffice. I'm not going to be able to reach that one. Spraying all over the glass. I think these will work well. How's it looking there, Dad?
How long do you have these on for?
10 minutes.
And what are these emitters?
1 gallon an hour.
10 minutes, 1 gallon an hour.
It's gonna be
How much
point.
in 10 minutes?
What is that? Like 100 mils?
How much is that?
Is that even right? Well, if it's 1 gallon an hour, it's gonna be 0.1 gallons per hour over the. Oh no, that's not right either. No, math is hard.